Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a very fun, creative DIY floor lamp at home, and this would require absolutely very less materials. And believe me, all the materials that I've used in this video were just lying at my home and I thought this out of nowhere. So this is absolutely unique. This is something that I haven't seen someone else do before, and it's something really fun as well. So I think you should definitely try this at your home, and all you need for this tutorial is some corrugated sheet that you can find in like packaging waste. You would also need a PVC pipe that you can also find somewhere, like a spare PVC pipe piece, and a mount board. So let's just get started. To start off, you will need a wide corrugated sheet depending upon how big you want the lamp to be. Start making alternate folds in the sheet until the sheet ends. Here we are making the shade for the lamp, hence this should have enough folds and length so that we can later make a cylindrical shape out of this. Now using a compass, make holes on the top and the bottom of the sheet. We will now insert a jute rope and braid this nicely so that the folds doesn't loosen up and open up later. Repeat this step on both the edges and make a knot at the end. Use a glue gun to paste the sheets if you have used more than one sheet of corrugated sheet. To make the base of the lamp, take a circular MDF board and cut a circle of the same diameter from the sunboard sheet. Now, noting the center of the circle, follow along the video to see how I make the inner support framework for the lamp. Now cut a small circle from the sunboard sheet which is as the same size as the base of the pipe. Insert the wire and the bulb holder, and then later make a small zit in the small circle for the wires to come out easily.
Lastly, use a Fevibond and fix everything like shown. To provide extra strength, I've also used quick dry clay to fix everything in place. You can also use M-Seal. Moving on, use the framework and rotate the corrugated sheet around in circumference and eventually make a knot on both ends. Use a scissor and make half holes on top of the corrugated sheet and then later insert them backwards. This will create a stunning shadow on the wall when the lamp lights up. Lastly, spray some spray paint on the holes to give it a special look. Now the last part is to coat the base of the lamp with acrylic putty to make it look clean, and you are done. Just let it dry and then later place the shade on top of the lamp.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down your views below and share this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody that you know of. Except that you can also show some support by subscribing to my channel, because I'm going to be coming up with such DIY videos every Friday. So you need to keep an eye and also press the bell icon, because it's going to notify you every time I put up a new video. If you are someone who enjoys shorter videos, then please head over to my Instagram, link to which is in the description box below, where I keep posting videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching to the end again. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.